This is the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus with the Infinity display. Opening the box, we are greeted with the phone itself, which has a really shiny screen on the front. Coming to the back, we have the dual camera setup with the fingerprint just below the cameras, an LED flash, and very distinct antenna bands which go all the way to the top. On the left, we have the SIM card slots and the volume buttons. There is also a micro SD card slot with along with the SIM card slots. On the right, we have the small speaker and the power button. Well, surprisingly, the speaker is on the right. On the bottom, we have the micro USB port, the 3.5mm headphone jack, and the primary microphone. On the top, we have the secondary microphone as well as some of the antenna bands. The screen is really shiny. Let me keep the phone to the side. Coming back to the box, we have the simple documentation. Let's put it aside. The SIM ejector tool, the micro USB cable, and some very basic earphones. The power brick is not adaptive fast charge but supports 5 volt at 1.55 amps. It should be fairly enough for this phone. Now coming back to the device, it's powered by Android Oreo out of the box, and really shiny screen, very mirror like image on you, as you can see. And it has a metal body, so yeah, no Samsung Pay, but Samsung Pay Mini is featured in this phone, and no wireless charging as well. And coming to the front, we have the screen, the secondary camera, and the LED flash. Here we go, the phone is powered on. Let it boot. It's secured by Knox, powered by Android Oreo out of the box. Let me be back after a short setup. So I've set it up, and this is the lock screen which has some of the information. Samsung Experience or TouchWiz UI as it's commonly called as. This phone has Bixby, but there's no Bixby button, thankfully. And fairly simple UI, smooth as butter. It has some of the optimization apps like the Opera Data Manager where you can optimize the data usage. Checking the phone status, it's fairly simple, nothing much fancy over this. This phone is a 64GB variant, so it has tons of storage internally, as well as you can have a dedicated micro SD slot so that you can expand up to around 200 to 256GB through micro SD card. And as you can see, it's a 64GB variant with almost 13GB already taken by the OS and all other apps. So yeah, this is the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus. Hope you liked the unboxing. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Until next time, stay sleepy.